Thanks for joining me here at American Rib Race Hardware. I'm Danny Hill. Today we'll be doing the Heath Riles brisket, or not the Heath Riles brisket, but my Heath Riles brisket. We'll be injecting it with the beef injection, of course, and then we'll be putting on that pecan rub and garlic butter rub for some greatness. I've done this a couple times before so far, and it's been phenomenal. So I know it works, and stick around and we'll see the finished product and start serving it out to some helpers here at the store. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so what we have here is a 14.5 pound Angus brisket. I started going to Restaurant Depot of all places and found their briskets I like better than the Costco brisket. Costco was out of them for a while. Somebody told me about this Restaurant Depot place, and they have regular briskets, and then just to the left for just like 40 cents more a pound, they have these Angus briskets. And I don't know if I'll ever get a different brisket. I'd put it against any brisket out there. I've had quite a few different briskets. So we'll be injecting it now with the Heath Riles Beef Injection. Kind of standard procedure here. You gotta be careful where you squeeze it. It'll find an exit, and it may be exiting over your clothes. And you can watch the meat swell up and try to get it before it squirts out of the grains. It's a beautifully grained brisket, and I don't think anybody can say anything bad about this brisket. Especially for the price, you really can't beat it. So now, with all the squirter juice, is also a binder. So now we're gonna go to the rubs. I'm gonna start the base coat with some garlic butter rub. Absolutely phenomenal rub. And we're going to do a little you could smell the butter, you could smell the garlic. Now got that garlic, got the butter. And because it's brisket, I always gotta have my pecan rub going in there, because as anybody knows, pecan goes with beef superiorly. Alright. Now that we got our injection in there, our base coat of the garlic butter and our pecan rub over that, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the Traeger at 190 degrees for 12 hours, which is a Matt Pittman thing, and it's foolproof, easy to plan. I don't do briskets any other way. They come out perfect every time. Not gonna change it now. So let's see what happens after 12 hours. See you then. So it may not seem like it, but 12 hours went by. There's no camera around to catch it before I wrapped it. So I wrapped it up, set it in there at 250 for a few more hours. And so our product right now is the brisket, the Heath Riles brisket, sitting here with a paper wrap and a foil wrap over that. It's the method I like to do. Everyone has their own method. I don't know how you can beat this method though. The paper absorbs all around the meat, and the foil really helps just really bake it in there, so it turns out with a more tender brisket, and it's pretty foolproof. So we're gonna open it up now and see what we got. So as you can see, this paper is soaked, which is just giving the brisket the juice all around it, and it is hot. on top of it. So hot. Put that juice on there. Get on there. And now, let's check out where we're at. I didn't mark a corner here, but we're right here. Probably could have rested it a bit longer. It's still very, very hot. It is very, very tender though. And now we got to the magic point here. Love this point. Best part of the brisket. We cube this up, make some burnt ends. And that is a great brisket. You gotta try these Heath Riles rubs. That butter, garlic, a pecan, a good brisket, and you can't really mess it up from there. So try it out. We've got a lot of rubs here at American Rib Race Hardware. By the end of the year, so by 2023, I should be around 500 rubs and sauces. And we're not far away from that now. So come check us out. A lot of different brands of rubs, all good flavors. If you have special needs for high, high, low, sugar, salt, whatever you need, we have different rubs for different situations. So let us know and we'll help you out. Thank you.